Searching for the best tech gifts to truly amaze someone in 2025? Look no further. This year's Ultimate Holiday Gift Guide reveals the most surprising and dramatic gadgets that will make any tech enthusiast's face light up. Get ready to discover the must-have new releases that everyone is talking about, and remember, you can find links to buy all these incredible items in the video description below to snag them early. Number 1. The AirPods Pro 3 leads our list, offering upgrades so revolutionary, they'll redefine your audio experience. Forget everything you thought you knew about wireless earbuds. These are on another level for music lovers and podcast addicts alike. Number 2. Prepare for gaming glory with the much-anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. This console promises breathtaking graphics and innovative gameplay that will shock even the most seasoned gamers. It's truly a game-changer that everyone is desperate to get their hands on for endless fun. Number 3. For the skincare enthusiast, the Shark LED Face Mask is the beauty tech revelation you never knew you needed. This isn't just a gadget, it's a transformation tool, delivering spa-level results from the comfort of home. Its surprising effectiveness makes it an incredible gift for pampering. Number 4. The latest iPad continues to dominate the tablet market, and in 2025, it's more powerful and versatile than ever. Whether for creativity, productivity, or entertainment, the iPad offers an unparalleled experience that makes it a universally loved and highly sought-after device. Number 5. Rounding out our top picks is the Amazon Echo representing the incredible advancements in smart home technology. These new Echo devices are smarter, more responsive, and more integrated into daily life than ever before, making them indispensable for modern living. These are the coolest gadgets and most exciting tech gifts of 2025 that promise genuine, "I can't believe you got this for me" reactions. Don't miss out on securing these amazing new tech releases for your loved ones.